Alright, doctor, we are ready now. Ready to do it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and greetings to our respective lecturer Dr. Nur Izzah and to my fellow classmates. Thank you for attending us for today's presentation session. We are Group 1 and my name is Ahmad Farhan. Together with me is Muhammad Hafizin, is my group mate. We'll present about our chosen ISD models and our chosen web design principle and theories topic, which are dig and carry and the rules of that. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight into the presentation. Alright, now you guys might be wondering, what is ISD models? What is it about? Is it some AI generated tool or some basic teaching tutorial tool? Well, ISD models or instructional system design models are frameworks used to design and develop educational and training programs systematically. It is used to design, develop, implement, and evaluate instructional materials and learning experiences. These models guide the process of identifying learning needs, developing instructional materials, and evaluating their effectiveness. Now, since we are clear on that, we're going to the next slide about what is dig and carry models. Now, dig and carry ISD model set 1. Well, the dig and carry ISD model, also known as the dig and carry system approach model, is a widely used instructional design framework. Alright, and this model views instruction as an interconnected system rather than a linear process. And the model was developed by Walter Dig and Lou Carey in the 1970. Now, in the 1970, it represents a significant shift in instructional design by viewing education as a systematic process rather than a linear sequence of steps. Now, let's take a look at this model of the dig and carry that we got from our source, which is howtoblog.com. Now, in this model, it consists of 10 steps in designing the dig and carry model. Alright, but we're gonna take a look at how these 10 steps apply in a website designing that is very crucial to us. Okay, now let's take a look at these first 5 steps and then we'll go into another 5 steps. Okay, so how do carry apply in website designing? Now, the first step is about identify instructional goals. You need to define the primary purpose of the website. Okay, and what do you want to users to achieve by or learn by using the website? You know, this could be by providing information, providing a questionnaire and everything. It could be anything. And then number 2 is to conduct instructional analysis. You need to break down the website goals into specific tasks or content areas. You need to identify the key features such as homepage, about page, or maybe return page. And now, number 3 is to analyze learners and context. You need to understand the target audience for the website. What are their preferences? What are their likes and dislikes? Okay, and number 4 is to write performance objective. Number 4 is about develop specific and measurable objective for what users should be able to do on the website. For example, users will be able to navigate to the contact page within 3 clicks, or users will understand the key benefit of our product after reading the home page. Okay, and number 5 is develop assessment instrument. Create methods to measure whether the website meets its objective. This could include usability testing, user surveys, and we're going to do 6 to 10 steps now. Now, the number 6 is develop instructional strategy. Plan the overall structure, meaning that this could include navigation, layout, and user flow of the website. Number 7 is to develop and select instructional materials. Now, this one, number 7, is very crucial because you need to create text, images, videos, and other multimedia elements. How about now you tell me which website that does not have any single multimedia element inside it, right? Everyone has one. Number 8 is to design and conduct formative evaluation of instruction. Now, you need to develop a prototype that could collect feedback on usability, content clarity, and overall user experience. Identify any issues or areas for improvement. Number 9 is to revise instruction. This could involve tweaking the design, improving navigation, rewriting content, or fixing technical issues. And last but not least is number 10, design and conduct summative evaluation. Well, after the website is launched, conduct a comprehensive evaluation to assess its effectiveness. This might include analyzing user behavior through analytics, conducting user certification surveys, and measuring the achievement or the original objective of your website. This is very crucial. These 10 steps are very crucial for us in applying Dick and Carey in website designing, so that your website could be more interesting and awesome. And I will pass this to the next presenter, my friend Muhammad Hafizin. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ahmad Farhan, and I'll continue to the set 2, which is rules of third. But you might be wondering, what is rules of third? Rules of third is a fundamental principle in visual composition, often used in photography, design, and art. It simply means dividing an image into 9 equal parts by 2 equally spaced horizontal lines and 2 equally spaced vertical lines. So it's stable. Okay. Then, how rules of third works? First one we have is grid layout. We divided it into 9 equal rectangles by 2 vertical and 2 horizontal lines. The next we have is the focal points, which is the 4 points where the lines intersect, and the balance and interest by aligning your subject with these lines or intersections. Next we have is how rules of third apply in website designing. You might be wondering. The first one is we use layout and grid system to divide the page into thirds, which designers can strategically place key elements. And the second one is content placement. They place it to ensure that these elements naturally attract the user's eye. And the third one we have is balancing visual elements. Designers can balance text and images on a page, whereas the last one is the focal points. Designers can place the most critical elements at this intersection to draw immediate attention. The next one we have is the conclusion. So the conclusion is the Dick and Carey ISD model focuses on designing effective learning experience by considering the relationship between context, content, learning, and instruction. Rules of third, on the other hand, is helps create visually appealing layouts by dividing a page into 9 parts and placing important elements along these lines. Both of these improve their fields through careful planning and structure. I believe that's all from us. We'll be continuing with the quiz. If you guys don't understand, you can write down or just ask some question. Okay, so for the first question is, what does ISD stands for? I'm gonna choose some random people. Can? So Farhan, pick one.
I will go for Ni Ahdi Sharil.
Okay, Mr. Ni Adi Syarid, what does ISD stands for? Ni Adi Syaril? No. Pick another one, Mr. Farhan.
Hello, can you hear me?
Oh, ada.
So the answer for question 1 is B.
What is B? Can you say?
Instructional system design.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you. So moving on to the next question, which is question 2. How many total equal rectangles divided to perform a grid layout? Is it A, 5, B, 1 million, C, 9, or D, 6 V-Bucks? So Ahmad Farhan, can you pick another one from the female side?
Go for Nur Idina Abdul Ghani.
Can I choose the number 9, C?
Oh yeah, very correct.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much. I think that's all from us. Thank you very much.
Don't forget to send your QR code.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you very much for the first rule. Okay, don't forget to submit the link of your recording, yeah? Okay, so group two, we have Nur Irvina and Zaina. Okay, the screen is yours.